Theophilus Anani, so the best media school in Ghana there, and a too much multimedia college. If we say about equipment, apapa, a church for our quadruple ewadisium, any air conditioned room there, about media law, advertising, camera handling, and marketing there, and then a location of Abeka Flipper Junction. Fanamba ne boasio na wankasa frɛ na obi andada wa na memo bi kasa me frama wankasa frɛ abati bi
Lafoi ma akwa ba shonko e de ba eye Afrique Media said ya wonim no bomodi an say over subscribe over like na wa share ye channel yi na nyame ishra papa Sabre minu mienu se o hwe me na se me so me hwe with ya na che se enkwa ewo ho enti enede asem a egu apono so a ye ba be bobo hu ene se eye abranti wa bi ene ne dofo a omo ba be ware na eden ena ebema aware no akoso anase enkoso midin ede esuna hemana na abena ahwenye me twa me ho sema me ba ye de nkomo hwehwe no ebe hwehwe so Medafo me ma wakwa ba say when you feed the free hana oguso share a Afrique Media with us for papa Sabre say na make sure no asem no ya chichire ni bede ni besami mu buho eno ntino me ko enkomo chichire ni so anase asem a eda ho no mami bobo hu encho wo poto kasem o say my fiancé and I are getting married in 2 weeks. We have never had sex before. But just yesterday, we decided to give it a try. I mean, we are getting married, so no wahala. Unfortunately, 5 minutes into making out, he was unable to get aroused. I tried everything possible, every fellatio move, yet it seemed impossible. I looked at him and asked if everything was okay with him. He looked at me and said there was something personal he wants to share with me. I have been attracted to men since I was in secondary school, he revealed softly. I couldn't believe what he was saying, and to make matters worse, he said he can only enjoy anal sex. Will I be willing to do that, or I should call off the marriage? Asema meka oboto kasemu ni nchire mu nyina ewo ya kan kasemu no o say oni ni twetwe mucho na laga joa bi kwako ware aka na wochi mienu pe na ehihye no abaso nanso omu enka afa omo ho enka omo ho da ai oba ne be mo no mo fo omo ho enka omo da enti no omo ba be ware idi omo pese omo so hwe no mu se eja bibia ekoyie ansana omo akwa yes I do the science no endi omo akodem ama bibia ekoyie 5 minutes aba Nenso so be me eda so kodwoti. Oba ne say wa try di onimu nyina en skills ahodo ye say the die nyina wa try and so still kodwo eda so eda from ti. Ana obi sa ni bra say ade nti na kodwo da so da ho. Ma ye dia me pe nyina me da de ja me hu ye be na de aka hu oba de je hu a eno ane say nye wo hu ni right no Odimirika na be pejani. Nenso radio da so da ho. Aden. Den na eye hawa ewo ho. O se medofo me de asemesio. Asembe ya. O se e free say me ko school, me school biri mu nyina emema nko a na me ni omudi agoro. Ne say ho o se so obetimi asori a just sabe udi wechi amame. Ansa na obetimi asare efise no nko a na omu enti ne yere ni ibisa eya wo a obetoa aware ni so ana se ubejai aware efise sebe hukunu efa emema asemi emu owrem emu odu eno enti mensaka opanyini okunu ni pa obeti asemi mu ho aboa na ye nyina ye de ya dream kire atoatoa sabape enye obi ase Director 1, Mr. Ben Cruz. Open your mama power.
I'm a dear. Let's say.
Yam now.
Adom. Now so.
Yam yadom, yeah.
Okay.
If you that's so I can
Oh, Benedict said to me, no one year.
It was your photo behind
Obia on these, said rock. It's awful.
And then I did Radia say. And a young assembly so young assembly. Assembly, the other between me. Into 1 day Obama, and I say, foot being on the more obeying.
Obama.
Aye.
That's what and yes.
And yes, sir.
And I said so, Jack. What to Mrs. Anna? Tio, your friend be said, we are all born with something. That's what people believe. Obi or see I want to gay. Or whom Bema, not savvy, why aroused, or your Bema, whom Bema, son and man of possibility. We were catcher. There's no need to even go about it. Jano. What I said, because
2 weeks to marriage. It is announcement.
Okay, hold it. 2 weeks to marriage. Until you prefer that. I said, who's all kind of said the only things on penny more at all. Or best sell to you now. Or sell to a bit in HIV. I have man that walk to maybe to me at it when you're cancer. So do you prefer that than stopping it now and enjoying your life? Madam, I say want to me anymore. It's now over man. Why you near my easy mama? Me dear me pemema. What catch now? Today now force it. But you see, I did when the man you know. Well, who said Japan? Was you a actually? Made them in Sakwashima my meeting. Where was so? About wrong was I. Oh, Kowaria. I dare no be any of it. We cried our catcher or say a two no pay. Na 2 year nyame boy o dey unya constipation kra toilet bar e say yet here
to say
na obi no we dey on lifetime o be yusu to no
forever
obese eti we no compromise be any and no so ka say o me na me buy when it be join the same day ka cho wa for say we dey meet me e do o ha in order not to say obema wa feel bad no can show be the reason but ye me ni adwen ho ye won say listen, we be
okay. We dey maybe so. Iti, who names se uye gay no?
Yeah.
Ade iti na ukop say oba mepe.
Hey, mami, I worry for bebre. A man bebre lesbians. Me man bebre gay. Who say yes society no? You're frowning upon that thing.
Yeah.
Enti wudum pepe su bi na won ware ya. O ma be because na kwadwa de na won ware we. Esa pe na kofata start target. Good. Enti in order say meet me am gay no makofo ba na metete
na so di oba ni e ti we
me dey ti manim te bi o ha me dey oba nda 1 year na me fa me ho nka no because me enjoy abonten o dey no ka dey mention am na metete oba women are suffering in marriage they can't say it obi bie the sexual life show in marriage obi bo se so be me wo obi ani kunu ni ba be do see your hu ye na me discharge yes no romance and romance. Foreplay na ere. It's we body waka cho. But they be anu me say obi o ha. Ono no aware no ntia se. Aware enye koni nkuku. Eye ayonkofa. Enye ohye. Enti me no wa ayonkofa no. Ye ba be fa na me hwe na mwa me a. Ese betwe me. When who say no wi ase. Now yes so because of society. Ni omo be kenti Udu ti go rabi bima. We be na do ti akoro.
Okay. It's na me person me bisa say during time of counseling because me name say yeah there 3 months 6 months counseling ever course.
Yeah.
And in the initial stage of the relationship one count so 2 weeks time mo ba be ra aware mo afi e na o ka kire no even with that nika na say all try possible means senka woni ni be bi went me arouse and a ho and our baby country. And I said, man, try ya. Night we were anyway. I want Uncle Oba who said you couldn't get
oh, that's how you was you. Is it the be about who did be? A friend is saying, what's that some way can and yes is out. Send me again. Hey, Ghana, wait again. So I'm do to. And yes is out. It's your can no crown or Eddie. But Bellman or your boat. But still at the same time. What do you mean? Because the matter remembering would open to the ding. A tomb remember someone who say yes, also for would open to a day. Maybe I don't know. Enti we cry the why like so waka che no. Enti there we no the waka che no say abrante e ne you when on me say no way or catch and say obesa ka oboa. E ya de ya wo no de nyinya. Wo so school time. Aka no ho. Enti woni ne dampam a I say otope. Oto no ni wo so da na oto a visualize it says o e be ma. No wada. But da no wani mu a ohu no phone pa na te ho. Sa na e wo na adwum. Enti we de there all forget it. No, correct.
Enti unjinji say omo ye gay ni lesbianism no. E wo say ye pet society bi mom. Ana say omo nti omo ho every year mu. Se ne be ya ye be identify omo. Se na awarefo ye mom kawa ne ade no. Na omo so ye nhye omo so.
Oh damn.
Se ne be end this like it should just differentiate to say these people it's me nye gay I mean say assume say me nkone ne nkonante.
Okay. Mate was but only enye bibi ese so. Sepe kraman be ma fa kraman be. Me bi da. Ti ade nti na.
Omo mo ya mpo wa mpo.
Yeah, nipa da se ne ya bo. We say obema to na mefa. It's not acceptable. E bibi a yentimi ensoso. Enti enye se ye ka se ye pa omo no. They have no place here. That's the fact.
Then so omo da so eye.
It's been there since our whatever time. So no man no more and na twumutumo. But the thing is that see it me born in a way to say who bet me from childhood no what's akola ye be gay so or pe memum so enti oba so ye be gay osua no or pe mai asehye odo oyo oba no ti ho na no ese utimi aboa no the ese otia no ese oboa no no ohu say no it's wrong. Oh, but in collaboration yesterday collano enti ye be hwa no money onyi wi a it's difficult to stop. It's difficult to stop.
It's addiction, no?
Very
so
addicted.
How to quit something that you've been addicted to
is difficult. Very difficult. Almost impossible.
Almost impossible.
Yes, almost impossible.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. With the year echo be brave. Anything you say over assuming in that
okay.
Youth be share or go through similar challenges.
Okay.
And there be to and our depend
Minian mema. Your friend is saying, oh, Baba warrior, be weni. O worry we are no kata wani. Nieti ameka san o bie wani asa na baba ware bia wontimi wa ware you know. But o worry we are no kata wani. Na what na ware no. Enti ni o bie wani no, ne awu ye no, onim se obetimi afa ato ho so a en complain bie. Enka se mahu ohu yi na abu wani gu so. Because we kwa de why like is work out na kwanken. Intimation or I before you get married. Marry a friend, not just a lover.
Okay, marry a friend and not just a lover. Nanti dodo bia ebie ewo aboboa no eno nti ye be sorry akonya kase so. Midi ebio. Ene esuma himama na abna ahwene pa enkasa. So wa woni ihia ngo ma. Ahwene pa amaje so enkasa.